Welcome guys, in this video we are going to see while loop. So in PHP we have a couple of loops. We have while loop, do while loop, for each loop. So what do we do when we have a data, maybe in an array, or we are fetching it from the database? We use loops a lot to display our content. So I'm going to show you the example of while loop in this video so you get the understanding how this works. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a variable first of all, which is going to be $a. I'm going to give it a value of 10. And then if we want to write a while loop, what we do here, we simply say while and parentheses, then curly braces. And here inside the parentheses, we are going to put a condition. Now, as long as that condition is true, this loop will run. So what I do, I say here $a, if less than 15, then we need to do something. So I say here echo and value off, and then I'm gonna put a here concatenation and $a. So I want that each time it goes, it prints this way. Now I want a break each time, so I again concatenate here, and here I'm gonna put the HTML break. All right. So what happens now? We have $a, which is already 10, and which is less than 15. So this is going to fire. But we need to make sure that $a changes as well. Otherwise, it is going to be always true. If you see here, we are just passing this, and nowhere $a is changing. So $a stays the same. So when we have our operation done, in this case, we are just echoing out, we can increase the $a. So this is the increment operator that we saw in the previous videos. So we are going to use it here. So each time this statement runs, it is going to increment by 1, and it is going to go till it is less than 15. So I'm going to save this, and I'm going to go here and refresh. Okay, we have, I need to put a bit of space here so we can see it clearly. So if I refresh here, you can see that we have value of 10, value of 11. I think off doesn't make sense here. So here, simply value 10, value 11, value. So you get the idea. It is starting from 10. It is less than 15, so it is printing it. Now each time, whenever it prints, it increases it. Now if you change this 10 to 1 and go back there and refresh again, you will see it is doing it the same thing till 15. Now when you can compare it as you like, now I'm comparing if it is even, equal to 1, 2. So I want the 15 as well. So it's going to print the 15 values. So whatever condition you want to put, you put here. Increment the variable as well, because that is required in while loop, and this is how you use while loop. And we will see more examples in a couple of videos, and you should do some practice on this because you'll be using it a lot in your code. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. And